Hello, you're welcome back. It's time to solve the PAWS Airdrop mystery quest and the gamble. So I want you to observe my phone screen right now so that I will explain to you in detail so that you also solve this. All right? Yeah, just turn on the screen. So after our voting 2 days ago, now it's time to solve the mystery quest and the gamble. The first thing you want to do is to head over to your PAWS in Telegram and click on the votes. On the vote right here, this is what you have. Okay, so we voted for bombs and then we also voted for blockchain, but right now there is more to that. In order to claim our 50,000 PAWS points and the 25,000 for the gamble, yeah, in order to get this clearly, you have to click on the earn section right here. And now right on this page, here is what we have. First of all, the moment you vote, as long as you voted at all with minimum of 10 stars, you're going to be getting 10,000 PAWS points added. So after voting, you come right here and click on claim. If you did vote for two, if you vote for one and the particular one you voted for one, you'll be able to claim this 10,000. And if you voted another one that didn't win, you'll be able to claim another 10,000. So there is need for you to vote for more than one if you want to claim for the winner and the loser. Now let's sort out the mystery quest. The mystery quest here is what gives you the opportunity to claim 50,000 PAWS points. All right. Now, so how do you claim that? We deal with that now and we head to the gamble and the second mystery quest. Now, to sort out the first mystery quest up here, the one with which we claim as much as 50,000 PAWS, what we do is to head over to the vote section again. So right here in the vote section, we are going to vote more. So right here, I want to vote for the winner. In voting for the winner, I'm gambling and I'm going to win that 50,000 PAWS points. So I'm going to come to this one that I believe, that I predict will win, which is bonds. Okay, now I'm going to click on vote. The moment you click on vote, the option for you to vote with stars pops up. Okay, already I do not have as much stars here, so I'm going to put as much as 500 stars right here. 500 stars. Things we do for tutorials, man. Now, selecting the exact number of stars is actually difficult, but since I know that any quantity I put here would not go because I don't have up to this much stars, so I'm just going to select anything around 500 plus. So I'm going to click on send right here. Confirm pay 500 stars. Definitely it won't go because I don't have that much. So I just needed this page to be triggered so that I'm going to buy stars. I'm going to buy 750 stars. Okay, so the option for 750 stars right here, although there are other means of buying Telegram stars, but most of the time I just prefer to do it right here in the same Telegram. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on the 750 stars, and now I have my account details here already, so I'm just going to input my fingerprint and it's going to be debited, so that I'll show you exactly how to sort this out. So you can see right here it says payment successful, so we are back here. Okay, so now 540 stars have been debited from my balance, so I have spent 540 stars to vote for bombs aside the first 10. Okay, so now let's get back to the end section. Coming back to the end section, now you can see we have solved the mystery quest. So for the mystery quest of 50,000 PAWS, you have to vote with minimum of 500 stars for a particular project among the three. So I'm going to claim the 50,000 PAWS. And now let's solve the gamble. What is the gamble all about? When they say go gamble means you're playing in between. You are not too sure of the exact time, so it is in course of trying to do the voting right here that the option for you to claim the gamble will pop up. Okay, so it is not something you know exactly the time. That's why it is called go gamble. All right, so in other words, you have to be in the process of buying more stars here, in the process of doing more voting here, and then this will randomly pop up. An option for you to claim this 25,000 stars will pop up. So that's what the Go Gamble is all about. So let me try it right here before you, just so you are sure of what I'm talking of. So I'm going to go ahead again and click on the vote section. So which other project do I vote? I feel like continuing to vote for bombs, because I know that, meanwhile, here is a snippet for you. If bombs win, all the people that voted for bombs are actually going to get something, okay? As in more token from bombs. It's not like you send your account number and get credited. Yeah, so, well, I believe in bombs more, but then I have given them 550 stars. So let me help Clayton and Blockchain just a little bit more, just to trigger the go gamble. Okay, so let me give them 10 stars here. Okay, confirm. So I voted them with 10 stars, and I'm going to go back to the end and check the go gamble. Still not active. Okay, so I'm going to go back again and do another voting. I want you to observe when I get it. Okay, that's the essence of this. I'm going to click on Clayton again and now give them 10 stars. Yeah, confirm and pay 10 stars. Go back. So I'm going to go back to the end section, and now the go gamble not yet active. So I'm going to go back to the votes and click on the bombs and then give them 10 stars and then confirm and pay 10 stars. Thank you for this. So right now, so after I have spent about 700, they must have activated, they must have enabled me to claim another one, either the second mystery quest or the go gamble. So let's check it out. I want you to be here and see it all happen. Okay, so here the second mystery quest is open, so I'm going to claim it. All right, yeah, so let's go again. I want you to observe when I unlock the go gamble. Like I told you, you have to be in this process of buying stars for it to be enabled, man. This is massive. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Volt, and now I'll still click on bombs, and then I'll click on send 10 stars, and then confirm your purchase, confirm and pay 10 stars. Now I'm going to do that, and I'll get back to the earn section. Go gamble not yet active. I'm going to try it again. I need you to see this happen. Now I'm going to click on it again, the bombs, and I'm going to vote them 10 stars again, and then confirm and pay 10 stars. Go back. Now let's click on the end section again. Go gamble not yet active, man. Okay, so I'm going to keep trying this until it works, right? Yeah, so I'm going to click on vote again. This time around, should I dash Clayton or Blockchain? Which one do you vote? Which one would you even prefer to vote? And why do I prefer bombs? You get to know when the vote is out, when the result is out. Okay, choose how many stars you want to use to vote for bombs. Another 10. Now let's go check it out. Okay, now go back, click on N, click on N, time limited task. Go gamble not yet activated, man. So what will happen is, meanwhile, let me check how much I've spent for this vote. I spent total of 630 stars in this voting, and they have not yet activated it. So what will happen is, I'm going to give it a little time, then I'll come back and try it again while I show you this video to see how to unlock the first 2 mystery quests, and then I'll make a separate video for the go gamble and tell you how I was able to unlock it. Remember, if you are seeing me for the first time, you will not see me again unless you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get more from this channel. Thumbs up.